Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a WhatsApp group. To create a WhatsApp group, go ahead and open the WhatsApp mobile application. At the top right corner of your screen, you're going to see three dots with more options. Click on this and you'll see the option for a new group. Tap on your group and on the next page, you will be requested to add group members. You can go ahead and scroll through your contacts to find group members you want to add to the group, or you can click on the search button at the top right corner of your screen. Search for the group members you want to add to the group and tap on the group members that are going to be added in this section so that you can add multiple group members. You can also add a group member by number by clicking on the keypad at the top right corner of your screen. Then you can add the mobile number of your group members. Once you've selected your group participants, click on the green button at the bottom of your screen to proceed to the next step. Here you will be requested to add a group name for your new group. Enable disappearing messages if you want the messages to disappear after a period of time. You can tap on this and then you have several options you can choose between 24 hours, 7 days, 90 days. Finally, under the disappearing message is the group permission. You can set the group permission, which gives you access to either allow group members to edit the group settings, send messages, or not. If you do not want them to send messages, you can turn this off. Give them access to other members and approve new members. Once you've made all the necessary specifications, click on the check mark at the bottom of your screen, and this will start creating your new group. With that, you have successfully created your WhatsApp group. You can always manage your WhatsApp group by clicking on the group name at the top, and then you can add group members and do other adjustments. So thank you guys for watching this video on how to create a WhatsApp group, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you do find this video helpful, do make sure to subscribe to this channel and have the post notification turned on. I hope to see you guys in my next video.